Hi, it's Sue Kirchner, Brand Strong Marketing, and I wanted to let you know about a workshop that I'm co-hosting that will make a huge difference in accelerating your growth goals. You know, as a business owner, you reach a point where you're really serious and you're ready to grow, but you just can't seem to move forward. Finding new customers, launching new services, creating marketing that works, and even just finding the time to implement all of your ideas, it's really hard. I feel you. I have been there. But take a deep breath because we've got your back. Join us for the Grow Your Business in 90 Days workshop. It's going to be the catalyst you need to get focused and on track to start bringing in new business. Stacia Skinner of Creative Training Solutions and I are going to give you the strategies, the tools, and the techniques you need to attract more clients and close more sales. But it's not just the theory. We're going to dig in and get work done with our time together. But here's the secret sauce and why we can make the bold claim of helping you see growth in 90 days. If you don't figure out a way to implement the ideas and tactics we give you, nothing's going to change. So we brought in Elaine Quinn of the Solopreneur Specialist, and she's going to teach you a key productivity hack to ensure that you get it all done. You work hard, you're an expert in your field, and you have a product or a service that really makes a difference for your clients. But what you're doing isn't working. So you're going to have to make some changes, and we're going to have to push you out of your comfort zone. But in exchange, you're going to land more business in 90 days and well beyond. Are you ready? If so, visit growyourbiz90days.com. You can learn more and register there. We hope to see you at the workshop.